Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about how to see partnerships are favorable in your birth chart. So this is one of the interesting question I keep getting from the people. How to check the partnerships in the birth chart? Of course, yes, you can able to check the partnership business will be suitable for you or not by analyzing your 7th house. Your 7th house in the birth chart talks about partnerships. It can be legal partnerships. It can be any kind of partnership for that matter. Okay, it can be marriage. Marriage is also a kind of partnership, right? So 7th house talks about your spouse characteristics, your marriage, your marital life, and also the partnerships, your legal partnerships and the business partnership. Anything for that matter can be seen from the 7th house. 7th house is also kind of house of others. First house talks about your own self, 7th house talks about others, how you perceive others, how others perceive you. So all those things can be seen from the 7th house. If at all you have malefics like Rahu, Ketu and Saturn, it is not suggestible for you to go with the partnerships, especially in their planetary periods. If at all you are undergoing Saturn Mahadasha or Saturn Antradasha or Rahu Mahadasha or Rahu Antradasha, partnership business will not be suitable for you. If at all you have a favorable planet sitting like Jupiter, Venus, Mercury, Moon, these planets are sitting in your 7th house and they are favorable for your birth chart, obviously partnership business will be favorable for you. Okay, any malefics sitting in the 7th house is not suggestible. And also, most importantly, we have to see D7 chart as well. D7 chart talks about whether partnerships will be suitable for you or not. What exactly is D7 chart? D7 chart is nothing but a chart which can be designed or prepared depending by checking your 7th house with the microscopic eye. When you carefully analyze the 7th house and you prepare a birth chart by taking 7th house as a reference from your D1 chart, that becomes the D7 chart. In D7 chart, depending upon the planetary alignment, depending upon the Mercury placement especially, depending upon the Saturn placement, depending upon the Venus placement, you have to come to a conclusion that whether the partnership business will be favorable for you or not. It makes a lot of sense to analyze in this way because Venus is the planet of relationships. Venus is all about just not sitting by its own self. Venus needs people around. Okay, so partnership business is something to do dealing with the people. So Venus placement has to be analyzed and the Mercury placement also to be analyzed because any business, Mercury comes first because Mercury is the Karaka for business. If you have strong Mercury, no doubt about it, you will be excelling very well in the business. And if at all strong Moon, your mindset will be very strong enough. You can able to give advices to people. You can able to counsel people. You can able to consult the people. You can able to provide a lot of inputs to the people. And people like to take your ideas. And that happens if at all you have strong Moon in the birth chart. And of course, Saturn also to be analyzed. Saturn is the planet of discipline, patience, persistence, consistency, courage. All these things, characteristics, you'll be able to get it from the planet Saturn in your birth chart. So all these planets should be stronger enough to come and take conclusion that partnership business is favorable for you or not. See, let me tell you, in my horoscope consultations, I'll provide a very detailed analysis. Why? Because I analyze the birth chart in a very detailed perspective. It's not about just checking your zodiac sign or checking your sun sign or moon sign and providing you the general characteristics that like anybody can able to do that. But whether the prediction which we are giving should be suitable for you or not, that makes a lot of sense for you to get a horoscope consultation done from the eminent astrologer. Alright, so in my case, I know Nadi astrology of sage Bhrigunandi, and at the same time, I know sage Parashara Hora Shastra, I know numerology, I know Vastu, I know gemology, and I know graphology as well. Okay, so if at all you need any specialized consultation with regards to your business, wealth, relationships, marriage, career, anything for that matter, there is a specialized consultations which I am providing. The link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. It's an individual birth chart, guys. Please underline this. Okay, so individual to you, it's not general for everybody. So that makes a lot of difference. Okay, and of course all these astrological services are just for you, and I'm bringing these videos to share the knowledge, to give you some kind of gist about what's the knowledge that I'm possessing. At the same time, this will help you to have some kind of understanding about your planetary birth chart. Okay, I hope you are loving my videos. Please let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video, what exactly you loved from this video, and I would like to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.